What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Christmas Eve and I figured let's do a real quick video. I got 3 Christmas cards and some of you were asking did I get any awards from the Filton show, so I figured I'll do a Filton show wrap up from last month. So first shout card we got is from N.Y.S. This is a really cool card and it's just too cool. And yeah, N.Y.S, thank you guys, thank you so much. This is such a cool card and we're gonna get this hung up, and yeah, very cool. So thank you, N.Y.S, and we'll get that hung up. And we got one from Dan, another amazing card. You guys have some amazing cards, and yeah, very cool. So Dan, thank you so much. This is such a cool card, and we'll get this again hung up. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much. And then of course, well, we got this pushing build right here. It's actually in this case right now. If you haven't seen that video, the final review video, I just posted it yesterday, and it's an amazing build. But that pushing build was for Tom. We got, of course, Christmas card from Tom, and of course we got one of his hot rods, or not one of his, but you know, one of his main things right there, hot rod, Santa sleigh. So Tom, thank you so much, and this is again get hung up and very cool. So those are the 3 cards I got this year, and super cool, and I'm very stoked I got those. So, but let's go back to the Filton show. We're gonna go ahead and do a time lapse from today to November last month. I did get some questions, did I get some awards, and I actually did get 3 awards, and I did not do a video because I didn't really feel like doing one, but I figured let's do it. These awards are still sitting here, and I'm not going to bring out the models, but I will put the picture on your screen of the card that won. So I got 2 third place and 1 first place, which is actually pretty cool. The Filton show, it's, if you haven't seen my video on that, it's a multiple, you know, they have different, not themes, but they have different categories like hot rods, open wheel race cars, closed wheel race cars, you know, street machine, trucks, SUVs, big rigs, whatever. So I'll go ahead and tell you which ones I won. So first things first, we got 3rd place. This one is for, what's this one for? This is for the Ford Taurus NASCAR. So this is for the closed wheel, race cars. This one is for the Cartoon Network NASCAR I just built this year. Very cool, and I'm actually quite glad that that one won. That one I definitely put a lot of detail and a lot of effort into that one, so very cool. So that one got 3rd place, and amazing. There's this show actually got over, I think they got over 204. I can't remember. No, it's 400. I can't remember. I think it's 400 models. That's actually pretty good for a small show like that, and I'm actually quite stoked. Alright, so we got another 3rd place. Oh, this one's for the street rods, or street machine. This one was for the 56 Chevy Del Rey I did for the street machine group build. So how ironic on that for the street machine. So that one is a good one. Again, 3rd place because there's a lot in that category, and I think the main reason why I won because I did the LS engine swap in it. It had that supercharged Corvette engine in it, so that was a pretty cool build and very cool. And I'm glad that one won, and you know, very neat. And the last one, we actually got 1st place, and this one had one of the most categories, you know, most popular categories. And this one took home 1st place, and that was the 66 Chevrolet Custom. This is the one with the Miguel's chassis on it, the full carbon fiber Chevy pickup. This was actually the first build of 2023, the first major one. So very cool. That one took home 1st place. I'm not really surprised because that one, I think it just has detail for galore, and the chassis, it basically makes the whole build. So yeah, that one took home 1st place. This is actually the 2nd first place award that truck took home. The first one was from the Syracuse Mini Nationals. So very neat. So that's it for the awards. And the spot meet, it was a pretty decent sized spot meet. It's in a fire station, so it's not a massive show. but it's more calmer shows, and not as overwhelmed as Acme or N.Y.S. Those shows are huge. But I got one kit. This is a kit I've been wanting for a while. I know it's getting pretty hard to find. Hopefully Revell will release it again, but right now, of the time this recording, it's kind of hard to get, and it is the 48 Ford custom pickup. We'll bring you guys up. This is a very cool kit. I built this kit. I think I built this kit on a channel before. I believe I did, but I didn't. I was still a beginner. I think I was just getting into airbrushing, and yeah, my airbrushing skills were not the best when you start getting into it. But I think I did it in this color, but I did something black that's supposed to be body color. I don't know, but I want to do it again because this body style is absolutely amazing, and this kit is incredible. 3-in-1, but it's actually kind of like a 4-in-1 because you do have 4 different grills, you do have like 3 different style bumpers, 1 engine I believe, but you just mostly the grill options you just go galore on this kit, and this kit is pretty heavy. It's packed to the top, so I'm glad I got that one. I got it for 25 bucks, I think, so it's sealed. I mean, can't really beat that. And then I just got a bunch of aftermarket parts. Detail Master was there. They're actually from New York, which is actually pretty cool. I never knew Detail Master was from New York, so they had a huge booth there. I spent like almost 80 bucks on that booth. I mean, and actually one of the things I bought was the Fessy stacks on the hot rod, the short ones, because the short ones were actually pretty hard to find. Not sure why, but I'm glad they were there, and yeah, that was awesome. But that's pretty much about it. I just want to do this real quick video. Merry Christmas, guys. Today is Christmas Eve. I will be doing another video before New Year's, so stay tuned. That video will probably be like a wrap up, and probably do my. I'm going to do my slideshow of my 2023 builds. I'll do that. I usually post that on New Year's Eve, and then probably a day before New Year's Eve, I'll post a video. Probably what I'm going to do for next year, and because I got some plans already for next year, so we'll do another video and we'll be back. But before the new year. But alright, guys, that's it. Merry Christmas. Have a happy New Year. I will see you guys before a new year, but if I don't, Happy New Year. And until my next video, I'll catch you next time. Take it easy.